I thought our dreams belonged to other men. 'Cause since time I've got close, they fall apart again.
If my heart would be sensing a place that I know,
Oh, how could I have known that all my life I only needed you?
oh, almost paradise, we're knocking on heaven's door. Almost paradise, how could we ask for more?
I swear that I can see forever in your eyes.
Paradise.
It seems like perfect love, so hard to find. I'm almost giving up. You must have read my mind.
And all these dreams I say for anything, they're finally coming true. I'll share them all with you, 'cause now we hold the future in our hand. Oh, almost paradise, we're knocking on heaven's door. Almost paradise, how could we ask for more?
I swear that I can see forever in your eyes. Paradise. And in your arms, salvation, I'm so far away. And it's getting closer.
Every day, almost paradise, we're knocking on heaven's door. Almost paradise, how could we ask for more?
I swear that I can see forever in your eyes.
Paradise.
You, I know you everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again,
If I ever fall in love,
sometimes when this broken heart can mend,
ooh, I know it's gonna be with
it's
you.
gonna be
From one to pull me through, oh I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
scared. I guess I'm scared to like it's such a long way down. In the end, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I come around.
and I know that it's hurt, it's hard to let someone inside.
Oh,
In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try.
oh, so
If I ever fall in love again,
ever fall
the best thing in my life. And I know I gotta take it slow. This song is brought to you by the Katimek Band.